Hey, how's everyone doing today? So I'm excited about this product I just picked up. I think you guys will really like it, especially if you have a new Acura TLX or similar vehicle. But it has to do with the CarPlay. Now, you know these cars have wired CarPlay. The new MDXs have wireless CarPlay. A lot of the new Honda products have wireless. I don't know why they have the wired CarPlay in this car. But I found a great fix for it. I just picked up this adapter from AutoSky. It's a really simple device to use. Basically what you do, you plug it into your CarPlay port in your car. Simple as that. And then you have wireless CarPlay. It works flawless. I've been using this for a while now. So let me go ahead and open this one up and I'll show you what you get with the package. Okay, so this is the newest one they have too, the 2023 model. I always suggest getting because they work out some kinks in it. But here's the adapter itself, nice little carbon fiber look. It's nice. They give you two adapters that plugs into. So if your car has a USB-C or you have the standard USB connector, it'll work with both of those. So it depends what kind of car you have. The new TLXs have the USB. So you're good to go on that. Really straightforward how to use this thing. Okay, so you find your port for the CarPlay. The one in this car is inside the center armrest here. And all you do is plug one of the cables, and this is the one with the USB. You plug that in here. Okay, so now you have that wire coming out, and then you just plug the adapter into that cord. And what it does, it acts like the phone is connected to that port, and it turns it into wireless CarPlay. So no more plug it in your phone to use a CarPlay. Like I said, it works great. It's really simple. Out of the way, you just connect it like this and you leave it alone. And for under $70 right now on Amazon, it's like a no-brainer for me. So nice. That's all you do. Then you start your car like you normally would. So let me show you how that works. Okay, so it's plugged in. I'll show you how it looks here. It's right here. I just put it out here just to show you guys. So it's plugged in. Have my phone here. Okay. Okay, I'm going to put it on my mount here. I'm going to turn the car on. Just like you normally do. And it'll connect all by itself. You don't have to do anything to it. Then just like normal, it's just, there's no difference. And like I said, my wife's MDX has wireless CarPlay and it works the same exact way. Here it says, it's saying that the CarPlay box has been connected, and you just push OK, and that's what that thing's called. And here you go, here on wireless CarPlay. Just like it looks when it's wired. No difference. It's connected. There's nothing connected to it. It's not plugged in. I just have it on my magnetic mount here. Awesome. Like, I've been hearing the Acuras going to do a software update for this, but doesn't look like they're going to. So this is a great idea. If you guys want wireless CarPlay for under $70, like I said, makes it so easy. Now you can leave your phone in your pocket and it connects. You can message that way, whatever you want to do. Like I said, it works great. I love it. So if you guys are interested, check the link in the description. Like I said, it's only, I think it's $66 right now, which is not bad at all. Like I said, it honestly feels like a new vehicle in that sense, that you don't have to run any wires to it. I always plug it in. So check the link in the description. I think you guys will be really happy with it. I do. I've been waiting for it for a long time and I tried this one and it works great. So again, if you guys are frustrated with having to plug your phone in, you want something that's just streamlined, this is it. Like I said, it works really good. I don't have to think about it anymore. The only thing you'll know with, when you do wireless CarPlay is it will run the battery a lot quicker than having it wired, of course, because it was charging at the same time. But I have a magnetic mount that I use, so it charges at the same time. And that's what I would recommend if you guys, if you commute and you use it for a long time, you'll notice the battery will drain, and that's normal with any wireless CarPlay that you're using. It just drains the battery due to the connection of it. But yeah, it works great. I'm super happy with it. You guys will too. And you don't have to wait for if Acura has an update or pay a subscription fee every month for it. Nothing like that. Like I said, under $70, it's a steal, I believe. So go ahead and pick yourself up one. I think you'll enjoy it. I do. Very useful. So I appreciate it, guys. Hope everyone's doing good, staying safe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks again, everybody.